Yes,
Yeah.
very good. So then let us take it not. Yeah, this 14th one is the toughest question in all of this. I can say in all of this book. This 14th one is toughest. And how it is tough? Because we have to prove. Let's say we have to prove this thing. So to prove this thing, we have to go around and then we have to reach there. So that is why this question is. Okay, so yeah, let us understand about this question first. So sides AB and AC and median area of a triangle, right? So, so we have sides AB and let me also write this one. So side AB and AC and AD. This is the AD, right? And this is equal to what? So this is AD and this is B, Q, R, and BM. What they have written in this thing that what they have given, write it. So what they have given that yeah, AB by A, AB and PQ, this is proportional AC by PR, and this is proportional to AD by what are the things that they have given. Remember, if you remember this 12th question, so what was the sides there that
Yeah.
they,
That
yeah,
BD is equal to DC.
yeah, so they gave this thing whole, and this thing, and this thing, right? So then we were able to find out the relation between this triangle and this triangle, right? So then we were able to choose these two triangles, right? That was that was the idea. But how this question is different? So they have totally given unrelated sides. Right? So they have given this side proportional to this side proportional to this side proportional to this side. So in any of the triangle, let's say if we choose these two triangles, if we choose these two triangles, can we find any similarity, any criterion can we found? Can we find it? Yes.
I mean SAS, SSS, that one.
Yeah. So yeah, any criterion that we can find.
SAS,
We don't know about the angles, right? Don't have any.
then SSS.
So do we have this BD and QM? Any information about BD and QM? We don't have
Yeah,
any.
what?
Do we have any information about BD and QM, their ratio? We don't have, right?
No.
And we don't have any other information about angles as well. So we cannot use these two triangles, right? So if we discard this triangle, then what is the other triangle that we have? Then we have these two triangles. But similar case is here, right? Similar thing is happening in this case also. So we have this side proportional to this one proportional to this, but we don't have any information about this side, this side. We don't have any information about this angle. We don't have any. So then again, we cannot use, then again, we cannot use these two triangles, right? Now, let us come to the final goal. So the final goal is to prove that these two triangles, triangle ABC, right? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, right? So what are the information that we can use from the given condition? So we can use that this ratio is equal to this ratio equal to this. These two things we can use, right, in the bigger triangle. But we require this BC part and QR part. Or we can also prove this angle and this angle. So these can be the two goals. Is it clear to you, Rifa?
Yes.
Yeah, so if we prove these two angles, then what would be the criterion? SAS, right?
Yeah.
So let us set that. Let us set that. Now we already know that we cannot use any triangles which is given in there, right? So if we can't use any other triangle, then what is the other thing that we can do? Then we have to construct the other figures, right? Then we have to use the means of construction. So what do we do is that we extend this BAD line, right, in such a way that we extend we extend this AD line such that this equals to this, and we connect these two, right? So this, let's say this is E, and similarly we extend this thing also, so that,
But why do we extend it?
yeah, because you will see the use of this thing in a moment, right? See the use of this thing. So the idea, why did we extended these lines? Because from the given things, we cannot figure out this similarity, right? These are not much information. So so the information available to us is not that much, right? So we have to extend our information, and to do that, we have to use construction. So that is what we are doing. Is this clear? Is it clear? Yeah, is it clear?
Yeah.
So what have we constructed? We have so construction, and you will see the use of this construction. So construct equal to AD and join, and let us also join and first construction. Similarly, a triangle PQR, PM equal to, let's say this is N, equal to MN, and join QN and NR. these are the two constructions that okay. Now, how can we use this thing? So now we already know that these two, right? These two are equal, and these two are also equal. This one equal to this one equals to this. So these things, right? Is it clear?
Yeah, where is it given in the question? But BD is equal to DC.
Yeah, BD equal to DC. BD, BD equal to, oh, so what is this AD? AD is a
It's
median, right?
median. Yeah.
So we can write BD equal to DC, and we can write QM equal to M, right? Because AD is median, AD is median, and PM is median. That is why we can write BD equal to DC. Is this actually
Yes. Yes.
okay? So now then what we can do is that so then we can write we can take triangles, right? And we can write so we can write this one is a very lengthy question, so we have to be patient to understand this question. So let's take two triangles, right? Let's take two triangles, and those are this one, right? And this one. So what we can say about these two triangles? What we can say about these two triangles? So we can say that
You
we
can
can
say BD is equal to DC.
absolutely right. VD equal to DC and AD equal to DE by construction, and
Yeah.
this angle BDE and ADC is
Can we say
equal.
vertically opposite angle?
Yeah, vertically opposite. Absolutely correct. So these are vertically opposite, so this is also equal. All these things, remember, these are equal, not proportional. So what kind of these two triangles are? These two triangles are
Uh, SAS
SAS, but what kinds of,
criteria.
yeah, by SAS, what kind of triangles are
Isosceles.
these? There are two triangles, right? Different triangles, not one triangle, two equal sides. These are two different triangles. And then all these sides are equal to each other. Then these two are similar or congruent. Which one of these?
The congruent.
Congruent. Absolutely correct. So these are congruent triangles, right? Good. So I will just directly write, right? We have to, we have that triangle ABC is similar to triangle B. And remember, what was the goal? The goal was to prove this angle equal to this angle. This was the goal, right? Right, Rifa? This was the goal. That
Yes. Yeah.
yeah. So now, keeping that in mind, in triangle ADC, right? In triangle ADC and BD, take triangle ADC, right? This was the triangle ADC and we have BD equal to DC, BD equal to DC, even we have AD equal to, we should write the angle first. Angle ADC equal to angle B, right? So angle ADC equal to angle BD. And these are vertically opposite angles. And the last one is, what was the last one? So uh, BD equal to DC. BD equal to DC, or we should write DC equal and AD equal to AD equal to D by construction. Okay, now what we can say that SAS, so triangle ADC is congruent to triangle BD by SAS. So now what we can say? So we can say that remember these two angles. So this side and this side, they are equal. So this is equal to this angle and this is equal to this angle. So this angle would be equal to this angle and this angle. This would be equal to this angle. Let's say this is 1, right? This is 1. And let's say, what should we name it? We should write, let us write that angle 1 and let me name all the angles. Let's say this is right. Let's say this is 3 and so what we can write? Angle 1 equal to angle by CP. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because what are the sides which are equal? So BD,
AD.
opposite to BD is this two angle, right?
Yeah.
And then BD equal to DC. So opposite to DC in ADC, what is the angle?
1.
1. Similarly, DE, opposite to DE is this angle. We don't require this angle. So this angle is equal to this angle, right? But we don't require this angle. So this will not use. So now what is the ultimate idea? So now what do we have?
We already proved that ABC is similar to PQR, right? So,
Yeah, we already proved that what? ABC equal to.
no, we already proved that ABC is similar to PQR, right?
No, no,
So,
no, no,
there
no,
was
no, 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 no. We have not yet proven that, right? We have only just proven that these two angles, right? So we have just proven that these two angles, they are right. So we have only proven this. Now we have to use. So this is right. This is what this is farmer and what does it, right? So, then we right. So first we have that this angle 1, right? This is what the one. Yeah, so what we can do now, we have got this thing. So what we can do do is that we can take these two triangles, right? I will write these two triangles, and then you tell me that how we can do that. AC would be equal to AC would be equal to B again by BC. Right. So these are two things we have got. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah, yeah.
So BE equal to AC. Now we will use two different triangles. And what we can write, so we can write this thing. So similarly,
Now which triangle we are choosing?
yeah. So let me write that. Similarly, we can also do the same thing for PMR and QMN. Similar thing, exactly similar thing. Correct. So same thing
Yeah.
for this one. And let's name this as same thing for these two lines. Exactly. Right. So let's name them 3 we have used. So let's name them 4 and 5. So I will directly write the result. It's
Yeah.
similarly,
Say that QM is equal to MR and then
yeah,
PM is equal
yeah. So
to MN
similarly,
and they are equal to the opposite angles.
yeah.
Then
Similarly, in triangle PMR and what is the other triangle? PMR and QM.
PMR and QMN.
QMN, I will directly write that angle 4 equal to angle 5. Angle 4 equal to angle 5 and, and PR equal to Q. Right, or I should write this angle 4 is, so I should write it as 5 equal to what I have taken 5 and PR equal to Q. So I have not written all these things. I have not written all these things. I have directly used these two. Whatever end result we got because the process is same. So I have written similarly. Similarly, we can prove that this side equal to this side and this angle equal to this angle. Okay, is this clear? Is this okay? So similarly, what
So when we
we
combine 1 and 2, can we say that triangle is similar to that?
yeah similar what yeah. So when we combine these two, no, we cannot say it yet. Cannot say it yet. We have to remember what is the group. So let's say this is 6 and six.
Breaking.
So we have to prove that angle 1 plus 3 that should be equal to 4 plus 3.
Your voice is breaking.
Oh, my voice is breaking. So what is happening to my voice? Yeah, is it clear now? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Okay, so I have to prove that angle 3 and 1 this is equal to angle 6 and that is what we have. So what I have to prove that angle 1 is equal to angle 4. This is what I have to. Okay, is it clear?
No, can you repeat again?
Yeah, so what I have to prove is that angle 1 equal to angle 4 and angle 3 is equal to angle 6. This I have to. Is it clear?
Yes.
So let's say I choose now these two triangles, right? Now I choose these two triangles. Click again diagram. So that is why I have said that this is a very a very lazy question, and they will not
So
generally ask.
but we have to prove the same thing for those two triangles, just like how we did
No,
the
no, no, no.
before.
So, no, no, no. We have used every other thing, and similarly, we have wrote this thing. Now we have to take some different triangles. Yeah, you will see now what other triangle that this is our diagram, right? And again, we have diagram. This is A, B, C, R, and was M, and this is. So now we will choose these two triangles. Okay, this triangle and this triangle. Is it clear to you? Is it clear?
Yeah.
So what do we know about
So we take triangle ABD and BDE.
we take ABE and PQN, these two different triangles.
So we are not doing it separate
Yeah,
together.
yeah. So we are doing it, yeah. So we are solving these two triangles together. And what are the things that we right? So we know that this is proportional to this one. Clear? Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah. Hello. Hello.
Oh, I got disconnected first. Sorry, sorry. Can you
Hello.
hear me? Yeah, yeah. Can you hear me? I got disconnected. My internet is fluctuating today. Yeah. So what I was saying, what do we know that AB by PQ, right? In triangle AB and triangle PQ. In both these triangles, what do we have? We know that AB by PQ, and this is equal to AD by PM, and this is equal to AC by what? AC by PR. This thing is given. Correct me if I am wrong. This thing is given, right?
Yeah.
And if yeah, you can tell me if this is correct or not correct. So AB by PQ, and I can multiply 280 I can multiply by 2. Is it, can I do this? 280 and 2 p.m. Is it okay?
Why did you put two ADs?
Yeah,
I'm
because
wondering.
you see, I need in triangle ABE. What are the sides? I have AB, BE, and AE. So I require AE. And by construction, I know that AD equal to this D. By construction, I know that, right?
Basically saying A is equal to AD, so hence it is 2AD.
Yeah, so 280 would be A, right? So that is why I have multiplied this. So if I multiply same thing in numerator and denominator, so that does not change the value, right?
Yes, it's correct.
Yeah. So this thing is, we are reaching somewhere. What can we do about this AC? Is it related to BE? Yes.
No,
So what did we do in the previous part? What did we do? The previous part
but BE is
AC.
not a part of AC, right? So
No, no, no. So in ABE triangle, we are using ABE triangle, right? So AC is related to BE, right? What have we proven? AC equals to BE. So instead of AC, we can write BE. Instead of PR, we can write QN. And how can we write that? Because AC equals to BE and PR equal to QN, that is proven earlier. Right? This is what we have proven in this part. Clear?
if BC is equal to, I mean, if BE is equal to QN, then AC is equal to PR, right?
No, 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 it is not equal. So AC is equal to B. That is what we are writing. AC equal to B. And PR is equal to,
You wrote B is,
I wrote AC equal to B, right?
you wrote BE by QN, right?
Yeah, so in place of AC, I have written B. That is what I have done. In place of PR, I have written B.
And in place of PR, you wrote Q.
Yeah, yeah, that is what I have written. PR equal
But
to.
why can't we write just AC and PR? So,
Because what are the two triangles that we
like,
are,
we wrote AB and PQ, so we can write AC and PR also the same way.
yeah, but what are the triangles that we are using in this at this moment? We are using ABE and we are using PQN. So all these sides should be related to BE, AB, and AE. We can't have any other side because this is not related with this triangle, right? Is it clear?
Yeah, understood.
Okay, so now we have everything. Now we can write this to AD. So AQ, PQ, PD is AE by BN, and this is BE. Now we have everything. And why we have written 280? Because AE is equals to 280 and BN equals to by construction. Yeah. So now, if these all these three sides are proportional, then what we can write? Triangle AB similar to triangle PQ, right? Then what we can write? Because BE, right? BE is proportional to QN, right? So if you look at this figure, BE is proportional to QN, right? So what would be the angles that would be equal? Can you tell me?
Yeah, so BE is proportional to QN. We're asking the angles equal.
Yeah, because corresponding angles would be equal, right? So if
Yeah, angle
BE,
B is equal to angle Q.
PQ, what is the
No,
angle which is
angle
opposite?
B is equal to Q.
It's, yeah, angle B is equal to angle Q. but I am asking about corresponding angles. So what is the angle which is opposite to B?
It
Opposite
is
to
E.
PE is this side, right? So the angles would be made by the other two sides. What are the other two sides? PE I have taken. So the other,
DE.
the triangle is ABE, right? So you have this ABE triangle. So if you take this side, then the angle would be this one. Take this side, the angle would be this one, right? Corresponding angles. This is how we calculate the corresponding angles, right? Is it clear?
Okay.
So what would be the angles? And we have marked those angles as what? So we have marked those angles as, let us go back to the 3 and 6. We have marked those angles as 3 and 6, right? So this angle is 3, this is 6. So this is by SSS. So we can write angle 3 equal to angle 6 by CP. Right. And we know that, yeah, so, okay, so this was not it. So similarly, we can prove that angle 1 would be equal to, right? And yeah, okay, yeah, so got disconnected. Oh, you are, and in the previous case, right? So similarly, what we can write, angle 2 would be equal to angle 5, correct? Angle 2 would be equal to angle 5 again by CPS, because angle 2 is opposite to what? AB, right? Opposite to AB is angle 2, right? This is angle 2 and this is angle 5. Is it clear?
Yeah, yeah.
And I have proven earlier what we have proven, that angle 2 is equal to angle 1 and angle 5 is equal to angle, what was this angle? To angle. So now you have to tell me that what we can write. So angle 2 is equal to angle 1. This is earlier. And also we have proven that angle, what? Angle 5 is equal to angle, right? Angle 5 equal to angle 4 equals to angle 5. So by looking at all these three things, what you can say? Read out these things and what you can tell. Yes. Then what you can say?
All the angles
Yes.
are equal.
Yeah. So
So
you see
can
that.
it is proved by AA.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, one minute, 1 minute. So remember, we have proven that angle 1 equals to angle 2, and we have also proven that angle 2 equals to angle 5. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, and we have proven that angle 5 equals to angle 4. So angle 1 would be equal to angle 4. Clear? Is it
So
clear?
angle 1 is equal to angle 4.
Yeah, that is what the goal was, right? That was the goal. So from these three, right, from let's say angle 2 equals to angle 5, so I can write here angle 5, and then at angle 5 I can write angle 1, so angle 4 equals to angle 1. That's angle 1 equals to angle, right? Let's say this is 1, and so from Yeah, that is why I was saying that this is a very lengthy question. From angle from one and what do we have? We can say angle one equal to. So now you see we have angle 3 equal to angle 6. Are we writing it properly? Yeah. Angle 3 equal to angle 6. Angle 1
Angle
equal to 4.
2 will be equal to angle 5.
Yeah. So this we don't require. This we don't require. So now let us make the final diagram. Right. That is why this question is very easy. Final diagram is this.
Will this type of question come for how many marks?
Yeah, I guess this will come for 5 marks only, right? If this question comes in the exams, they will ask it for 5 marks. So this is D and this is M. Now what you have proven that this angle, what was this angle? Angle 3 and 1. So angle 3, angle 1, angle, what is this angle? 6 and 2, angle 6 and angle. So in triangle, now you have to, the end goal was what? End goal was that these two triangles you have to prove similar. That was the end goal, right? So now what do we have? Angle 3 equal to angle 6, angle 1 equal to angle 4. So if we add these two, right, let's say this is 4, this is 5. So angle add 4 and 5. So angle 3 plus angle 1, this would be equal to angle 6 plus angle 4. Is it clear? Is it clear? If we add these two, so angle 3 plus angle 1, this would be angle 6 plus angle. Is it clear?
Yeah.
So what is angle 3 plus 1? That is angle A and this is angle B. So this you have proven and this was your goal, right? Remember, this was the goal that we set. So we proved these two angles equal to this one. So this was the goal, right? Because we have already this thing, we have already this thing. So now in triangle, what you can write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you can write AB by PQ. This is equal to AC by PR. And then you have angle A equal to angle B. So this is given and this is then you can write triangle ABC is equal to triangle PQR by SB. This was the idea. Is it clear to you? This was a very long question, but yeah, the idea was that first we have to that these two angles are equal. How did we do that? We constructed this DE, extended this DE equal to AD and this MN equal to PM. These are the things that we did. And then we proved that these are congruent. Then we got all these results. Then we proved that these two triangles are similar. Then we proved that this triangle equals to 6. So this thing we got, and then finally we got these two angles equal, which was our goal. And then we proved that this triangles are similar. Is it clear to you? Is it clear, Rifa?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then please read it. And you have to go through this. So you have to frame these steps. First step is to put these two triangles congruent. Then you prove that AC equal to BE angle 2 equal to angle 1. So this is your first step. Then you take similarly you these two. Then you take these two triangles, and then you put them similar, and then finally you put them these angles are equal, and then you that finally that whole of the angle are equal, and then you put that these two triangles are the four-step solution of this question. Please note it down, and then yeah, please look at this question again. Okay, this question took how many minutes? Let's say 30, 40 minutes, I guess, right? But yeah, whenever you want me to scroll down, please tell me. Yes, Rifa, whenever you have put it down.
Yeah, yeah,
And and just go through this question once more at your room, right? Just through this solution. And if you have any doubt in the middle, please tell me next.
hello.
Yes,
You can scroll.
Yeah, I got disconnected again.
Hello.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I got yeah, can you hear me, Rifa? Yeah, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? My internet. Can you hear me, Rifa? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
You
Please